channel. It's NikiaTheSkinTherapist. So today's video, we're going to get the upstairs bathroom together. Here is everything that we purchased. We have some things here from Target, TJ Maxx, and I think that's it. So the green bath mat came from Target, as well as the soap dispenser and the shower curtains. Everything else came from TJ Maxx. So here's just an overview of everything I'm going to use in the bathroom. So here's an overview of the bathroom. So there's nothing in here except the curtain rod that Keisha put up earlier today. And I know looking at the surface wise, it looks pretty clean, but I just wanted to go through and disinfect everything. If you're new here, my name is NikiaTheSkinTherapist, and my channel consists of clothing hauls, aesthetics, lifestyle, and homemaking. I'm married. I live in Atlanta, Georgia with my wife, Keisha, and we recently just purchased a home. So my videos these days are all about us getting settled into our new home. I also do drop aesthetic tips from here and there because I'm an esthetician. So if you're interested in things to do in Atlanta, fashion and aesthetic tips, or how I maintain my home and while we get settled in, please subscribe. I'd love to have you.
Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
So we're all done. Here is how the bathroom came together. I just love this little floral piece here. I got that from TJ Maxx, as mentioned before. It's a little close-up of the fixtures. That soap dispenser is from Target, and that little tray there is also from Target as well. And there's some paper towels. I think I'm gonna get some individual hand towels to make it more of like a spa-like vibe, because that's the vibe I'm going for in this bathroom. I just want it to be very clean, very simple. I like the black accents, and of course I had to add green because y'all know green is my favorite color. So we just got this long green rug here. Oh, here's the vibe with the lights off. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.